Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off read receipt on your Instagram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to open my group chat. We can go to our Instagram direct messages by clicking on this icon on the top right and choose a group chat you want to turn off the read receipt on. I'm going to turn off my read receipt on this group chat, so I'm going to open it and we can click on the group chat's name right here. Okay, and go to the privacy and safety. And if we want to turn off the read receipt, we just need to click on the circle button on the read receipt option. Just click on it like this, and after that, the read receipt will be turned off. Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn off read receipt on our Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.